Linear equation. Quotient A. 3x equals to 2x minus 4. Here 3x, these 2x will come in here, so minus 2x equals to 2x minus 2x minus 4. So 3x minus 2x, it will be x, and this 2x minus 2x out, here is 4. This is our answer. Number B. 5y equals to 3y plus 10. So first both side we will subtract by 3y. So 5y minus 3y equals to 3y minus 3y plus 10. So 5y minus 3y, it will be 2y, and this 3y minus 3y out, here is plus 10. Now we will divide both sides by 2. It means 2y divide 2, and here is 10 divide 2. These two divide. So finally y equals to 10 divide 2 means 5. So here is 5. Okay. So A and B done. Number C. 2y minus 5 equals to 3y. So this case 2y, and here is a minus 3y. 3y, it will become minus 3y, and here is a minus 5, it will become minus 5 plus 5, and here 3y minus 3y and plus 5. So finally this minus 5 and plus 5 out, and here is minus y equal, here 3y minus 3y out, so here is plus 5. Now we will divide both sides by minus 1. So here is y and minus 5. We can write divide by minus 1. Okay. So A, B, C done. Solve the following linear equation. We have completed A, B, C. Now number D. P minus 8 equals to 3p. So here is p and here is 3p, so it will be minus 3p. This is minus 8. Once it's go right side, it will be plus 8. It means minus 8 plus 8 equal, here is 3p, again minus 3p and plus 8. So everything is okay. Now we can write p minus 3p, it will be minus 2p, minus 8 plus 8 out, equal 3p minus 3p out. So here is only plus 8. Now we will divide both sides by minus 2. It means 2p and minus 2, and here is a 8 minus 2. So this minus 2 divide, it will become 1, and 8 divide 2 is a 4, and here is a minus. So finally we get p equals to minus 4. This is our answer. Okay. So number D done. Number E. 3y minus 8 equals to 2y. So first this is 3y, and these 2y we need, so we can write in here minus 2y, and this minus 8 we need out, so minus 8 plus 8. So what is happening in here, we will do same thing. So 2y and minus 2y, and here is plus 8. Now 3y minus 2y, it will be y, minus 8 plus 8 out, 2y minus 2y out, and final answer is 8. Very simple. So number E done. Now final 7x plus 11 equals to 5x. So this is number f. 7x, we can see again 7x plus 11 equals to 5x. So this one 7x, this 5x will become minus 5x, this plus 11 will be out, so 11 minus 11 equals to 5x minus 5x. Okay, then 7x minus 5x, it will be 2x, plus 11 minus 11 out, and 5x minus 5x out, and also we have to write in here minus 11, right? So be careful. So it will be minus 11. Okay, then we will divide both sides by 2, so x equals to minus 11 by 2. We can write a subnote, divide by what? 2. Okay, so this video I'm trying to solve 6 math based on linear equation, which is very important around the world. Any kinds of examination based on 8 to 10 grade. Okay, so from now I will try to make video from basic level, which is very important. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel, which is Math Jeep, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.